Hi, in this video I'll be sharing footage and pros and cons of my experience on board Royal Caribbean's Symphony of the Seas, as well as perfect day at Cococay. This vessel is incredibly massive and absolutely stunning. It is decorated beautifully and there's art to admire everywhere you look. The staterooms are pretty spacious and tastefully decorated to match the ship's general decor. Due to COVID-19 restrictions, our voyage only included about 2,300 passengers out of the 7,000 normally allowed on board. The cleanliness on the ship was incredible. The crew was frequently cleaning and disinfecting. We noticed the pools getting emptied out and cleaned probably every night. Everything was absolutely impeccable. Because there were less guests on board, it never felt crowded. Many times we felt like we had different areas of the ship to ourselves. We only made short lines at attractions like zip lining or slides during prime times. Getting off and on the ship at ports of call was always a breeze. There was social distancing seating for shows and dining, which brings me to the cons. While having your own space is nice, it limits availability, so we had to make specialty dining and show reservations well in advance. Another pandemic-related issue that we came across was show hours for unvaccinated passengers. The only unvaccinated guests allowed on board were children ages 2 to 11. The shows were labeled V for vaccinated or E for everyone. This could be an inconvenience for families, especially when the only available hour labeled everyone is 10:30 p.m., like the Aqua Theater show. Other shows labeled everyone were scheduled at 7 p.m., which could fall in the middle of dinner for families with small children. Another unexpected disappointment was embarkation day at the port of Miami. Because our group included children, it took almost 2 hours to get on board from our appointment arrival time. Unvaccinated guests, which again only included children ages 2 to 11 on our voyage, required an additional COVID-19 test and negative result before boarding. Those that did not travel with children took only about 45 minutes less to embark, even though everyone in our group completed the pre-check-in on the app. Now back to the positives. Specialty dining exceeded our expectations, and for us, it made sense and was well worth purchasing the unlimited dining package. We tried all of the restaurants, and they did not disappoint. Wonderland was a family's favorite. Aside from the incredible food, the service and attention was exceptional. Attractions on the ship include miniature golf, the flow rider wave, the abyss slide, water slides, splash park, pools, jacuzzis, zip lining, and rock climbing. All are a lot of fun and worth a try. Perfect day at Cococay truly lived up to its name. The food and service was excellent. The island felt empty and there were very many places to sit and lounge. Snorkeling was great. We saw different sized fish and a large manta ray at Chill Beach. There are many entertainment options to choose from on a daily basis. There are also various events and venues to attend. The shows are beyond amazing. Overall, I would say it was a good experience considering all of the protocols and restrictions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.